Hi guys, welcome you all to our new study channel Decimal Study. So today in this video we are going to study Kalika Setu 3 Mathematics Part 2. So before starting video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then subscribe and hit a bell icon for all upcoming notifications. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. If you haven't watched part 1, then click the above I button or the link in the description. So students, let's get started. First question, the distance of point P 2, 3 from the x-axis is, options are 1, 2, 3, 5. Here the right answer is option C, that is 3. So let's see the solution, students. So guys, by looking at this graph, we can come to know that the distance from the x-axis to a point P is 2, 3. So the answer is 3. So let's move to next question. The distance of a point P x, y from the origin. Options are root x square plus y square, root x square minus y square, root x2 minus y2 whole raised to square plus y2 minus y1 whole raised to square. None of this. So students, let's see the solution. Let 0, 0 and x, y. Here x1 is 0 and y1 is 0, x2 is x, y2 is y. So therefore distance formula will be root x1 minus x2 whole raised to square plus y1 minus y2 whole raised to square. By putting the value, we get the answer root x square plus y square. So therefore here we can use the formula minus n whole raised to square is equals to n square. By this we get the answer root x square plus y square. So therefore the right answer is option E. Next question, relation between mean, median and mode. Options are 3 mean is equals to mode plus 2 mean, median is equals to 3 mode plus 2 mean, 3 median is equals to mode minus 2 mean is equals to mode plus median. Here the right answer is option A, 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. So let's go to next question. 10, 13, 5, 15, 5, 20, 5. Mode of these numbers are, options are option A 5, option B 10, option B 13, option D 15. So the right answer is option A 5. So here guys, we know that mode is most repeating score in the above series. So 5 is the more time repeating. So the answer will be a 5. Next question, median class of the given table is, options are option A 0 to 10, option B 10 to 20, option C 20 to 30, option D 30 to 40. So let's see the solution. Here in this given table, class intervals are 0 to 20, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, and the frequencies are given, that is 5, 18, 12 and 9. So let's see how to calculate cumulative frequencies. So first term will be same as it is 5. So then you need to add 5 plus 18, that is 23. 23 plus 12, that is 35. 35 plus 9, that is 44. So total number of frequency is 44. Then we know that a cumulative frequency which is just a greater than or equal to n by 2. So therefore the corresponding class is the median class. As we know n is equals to 44, therefore median class is n by 2. n by 2, 44 by 2, then it is 22. So the median class is 10 to 20. So the right answer is option B, 10 to 20. So next question, following which types of triangles are always similar? Options are option A right angled triangle, option B equiangular triangle, Option C, scalene triangle. Option D, isosceles triangle. Here, the right answer is option B, equiangular triangle. So, equiangular triangles are always similar. Next question. In the figure, DE is perpendicular to BC. AD is equals to 2.4, BD is equals to 7.2 centimeters. So, AE is equals to 1.8 centimeters. Then, length of AC is, options are 5.4 centimeter, 9.6 centimeter, 7.2 centimeter, 8 centimeter. So students, let's see the solution. In the below figure, it's given that AD is equals to 2.4, BD is equals to 7.2, AE is equals to 1.8 centimeter. Then we need to find out AC. So therefore, AB is equals to AD plus DB. So therefore, AB is equals to 2.4 plus 7.2. So therefore, AB is 9.6 centimeter. So by extension of BPT, AD divided by AB is equals to AE divided by AC. By putting the value, so we get answer AC is equals to 7.2 centimeter. So therefore, the right answer is option C, 7.2 centimeter. So, next question. In the given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and angle ABC is equals to angle FED is equals to 80 degree. Then the measure of angle D is, options are option A 40 degree, option B 60 degree, option C 80 degree, option D 140 degree. So, we'll see the answer students. To solve this question, you need to observe the figure carefully. Since it's given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. So, by CPST, angle A is equals to angle D. In the figure, it is given that angle A is equals to 60. So, therefore, angle D will be 60. So, the right answer is option B, 60. So let's see next question. In the given figure, angle ABC is equals to 90 degree. Here BD is perpendicular to AC and AB is equals to 12 centimeter, BC is equals to 9 centimeter, CA is equals to 15 centimeter. Then the length of AD is, options are option A 3.6, option B 6.3, option C 6.6, option D 9.6. Here the right answer is option D 9.6. So let's see the next question. Which of the following is not a Pythagorean triplet? Options are option A 6, 8, 10, option B 7, 24, 25, option C 7, 8, 9, option D 9, 12, 15. So therefore the right answer is option C, that is 7, 8, 9. So let's see the next question. From the given figure, find the length of PQ. Options are option A 2 cm, option B 4 cm, option C 6 cm, option D 8 cm. So let's see the solution. So guys, we know that tangents from an external point to a circle are equal. So therefore, in the given figure, PA is equals to PB is equals to 2 cm and QC is equals to QB, that is 4 cm. Therefore, we need PQ. That is PQ is equals to PB plus QB. So PB is equals to 2 plus QB is equals to 4. Therefore, the answer is 6. So the right answer is option C, 6 cm. So let's go to next question. Question number 32. From the figure, if angle OBC is equals to 40 degree, then angle AOC is equals to. Options are option A 50 degree, option B 80 degree, Option C 100 degree. Option D 140 degree. In triangle OBC, angle OBC is equals to 40 degree because it's given. Angle BCO is equals to 90 degree because tangents are perpendicular to radius. Angle BOC is equals to 50 degree by angle sum property of triangle. By RHS, triangle OBC is congruent to triangle OBA. By CPCT, angle BOC is equals to angle BOA is equals to 50 degree. So therefore, angle AOC is equals to angle BOA plus BOC. So therefore, 50 plus 50 is equals to 100. So therefore, the right answer is option C, 100. Next question. If the straight line passes through the circle at only one point, the line is, options are option A, secant, option B, radius, option C, diameter, option D, tangent. The right answer is option D, that is tangent. Next question. To divide a line segment AB in the ratio 4:7, a ray AX is drawn. First, such that angle BAX is a acute angle. Then points A1, A2, A3 are located at an equal distance on the ray AX and the point B is joined at. Options are option A, A12, option B, A11, option C, A10, option D, A9. So therefore, the right answer is option B, A11. Next question. A vertical stick of a length 6 meter cast a shadow 400 cm long on the ground, and at the same time a lower cast a shadow 28 meter long. The height of the tower is, that is AB. Options are option A 6 by 7 meter, option B 56 by 3 meter, option C 42 meter, option D 28 meter. So by looking at this diagram, let's start solution. By extension of BPT, we know that CE divided by BC is equals to DE divided by AB. So therefore, by putting the values, that is CE is 4, BC is 28 is equals to DE is 6 and AB we need to find out. So therefore, AB is equals to 6 into 28 divided by 4. By solving it, we get AB is equals to 42 as an answer. So therefore, the right answer is option C, 42 meter. Next question. The shape of ice cream cone is a combination of, options are option A, sphere plus cylinder, option B, sphere plus cone, option C, hemisphere plus cylinder, option D, hemisphere plus cone. Here the right answer is option D, hemisphere plus cone. Next question. If we cut a cone in two parts by the plane parallel to the base, then the bottom part left over is, options are option A, cone, option B, cube, option C, cylinder, option D, frustum of cone. Here the right answer is option D, frustum of cone. We can see a frustum of cone when in two parts by a plane parallel is cut. So next question. If we change the shape of solid object from the sphere to a cylinder, then the volume of cylinder will be, options are option A, increases, option B, decreases, option C, remain unchanged, option D, doubles. Here the right answer is option C, remains unchanged. Next question. If we join two hemispheres of a same radius along their bases, then we get, options are option A, cone, option B, frustum of cone, option C, cylinder, option D, sphere. Here the right answer is option D, that is sphere. Next question, the last question. The shape of glass tumbler, see in the figure, is usually in the form of. Options are option A, cone, option B, frustum of cone, option C, cylinder, option D, sphere. Here the right answer is option D, frustum of cone. The given diagram is in the structure, that is frustum of cone. So guys, here the questions are completed and I have covered every question. If you haven't watched the first part of this video, then click the above I button to watch, or the link is provided in the description. If you have any doubts, comment me below. So guys, if you liked this video, then don't forget to share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.